Happy morning, dear friends. Here's yours, Dr. Rajanta. Welcome to Demystify with Ajay. In today's episode of One Concept, 2 Minutes, we are diving deep into BERT, bidirectional encoder representation from transformers. Dear friends, have you ever had a conversation where the context of the previous sentence completely changed the meaning of what being said? Imagine you are listening to someone says, "I'm tired. I think I will go to bed." So now, what if they say the same thing but in a different situation? "I'm tired. I think I will take a break." So the meaning changes entirely depending on the context. In language, meaning doesn't just depend on individual words. It depends on the context in which those words appears. This is where BERT, a game-changing model in natural language processing, comes in. Unlike traditional models that read text left to right or right to left, BERT reads both the ways, understanding both the direction to better grasp the true meaning of language. Difference: BERT is a pre-trained language model developed by Google that revolutionized the way processing natural language. Difference: BERT read entire sentence at once, using both left and right context to deeply understand word meaning. Next, masked language modeling. That is, BERT learns by predicting randomly masked words using surrounding context, capturing the exact word that is with relationship. Next, sentence prediction. Yes, NSP. That is, BERT learns sentence relationship by predicting whether one sentence logically follows the other. By combining these methods, BERT has learned to build rich, contextualized representation of language that can be fine-tuned for a wide range of tasks. Dear friends, one of the best things about BERT is that its ability to fine-tune. Once BERT has been pre-trained on a massive amount of text, it can be adapted to specific tasks like translation, summarization, or sentimental analysis with minimal task-specific data. So this makes BERT extremely efficient and versatile, a model that can be trained on a wide range of applications with relatively little extra work. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video, dear friends. Happy learning.